Welcome to the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. If you've ever tried to send tokens to multiple wallets manually, you know how time-consuming and error-prone it can be. But what if I told you there's a faster and easier way? In this video, we'll explore how to use Solana Multisender to efficiently distribute tokens to multiple wallets, perfect for airdrops, payouts, and community rewards. Let's dive in. First, let's address the problem. Sending tokens one by one can be overwhelming, especially when you're dealing with hundreds or even thousands of recipients. It's not just about the time. There's a higher risk of mistakes, like sending the wrong amount or copying the wrong address. Solana Multisender solves this by allowing you to send tokens to multiple wallets in a single transaction. It's fast, efficient, and minimizes the chance of human error. Whether you're managing an airdrop or paying your team, Solana Multisender is your go-to tool. Before we jump into the Multisender tool, you'll need a Solana wallet. Here's how to set it up. 1. Download a trusted Solana wallet like Phantom or Solflare from their official websites. 2. Create a new wallet and securely store your seed phrase. This is crucial. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. 3. Fund your wallet with SOL tokens. These are required to cover transaction fees. Once your wallet is ready, you're all set to use the Multisender tool. Now let's walk through how to use the Solana Multisender. 1. Access the tool. Visit the Solana Multisender website or app. Make sure it's the official site to avoid phishing scams. 2. Connect your wallet. Click Connect Wallet and approve the connection request in your wallet. 3. Upload wallet addresses. Prepare a CSV file containing the recipient addresses and the amount of tokens each wallet should receive. Upload this file to the tool. 4. Select the token. Choose the token you want to distribute from your wallet. 5. Review and confirm. Double-check the details, wallet addresses, token amounts, and fees. 6. Execute the transaction. Click Send and approve the transaction in your wallet. That's it. The tool will handle the rest. Pro tip: start with a small test transaction to ensure everything is set up correctly before sending a large batch. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Here are some common issues and how to fix them. 1. Insufficient funds. Make sure your wallet has enough SOL tokens to cover transaction fees. 2. Invalid addresses. Double-check that all wallet addresses in your CSV file are accurate. Even one mistake can cause the transaction to fail. 3. Connection errors. If your wallet isn't connecting, try refreshing the page or using a different browser. 4. Token approval issues. Ensure the token you're sending is properly approved in your wallet for the Multisender tool. By addressing these errors, you can ensure a smooth transaction. Here are some pro tips to help you get the most out of Solana Multisender. 1. Organize your CSV file. Keep your recipient list neat and double-check the token amounts before uploading. 2. Track your transactions. Use Solana explorers like Solscan to verify completed transactions and troubleshoot any issues. 3. Stay secure. Only connect your wallet to trusted apps and never share your private keys. By following these tips, you can optimize your token distribution process and save valuable time. And there you have it, a complete beginner's guide to using Solana Multisender. It's a game-changing tool for airdrops, payouts, and more. Now, here are a few questions for you. 1. Have you used Solana Multisender before? 2. What other use cases do you see for this tool? 3. Did you encounter any challenges while setting it up? 4. Are there other tools you'd like us to cover in future videos? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Check out the related videos on the screen to explore more ways to master the Solana blockchain. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.